Alright, so the 3D Cell Stain app. Here we go. Alright, when you load up the 3D Cell Stain app, it's going to come up with two different sections. Basically, the first section, the 3D cell, is like an exploration of a cell, and the other section is to actually stain the cell. I'm going to take you to the 3D cell first. What this does is give the students a way to kind of have a 3D model of the cell where they can pinch in and out. They can rotate the cell, they can move and see the structures. So that's kind of cool. And again, anytime you have something you want to take a picture of, just hit the home and the power button and do those together and it'll take a picture. On this side you also have some tabs here, so if you want to take a closer look at the structures, it gives you back a 2D vision, and each of these structures you can click on with your finger and learn more about. Up here, these are links. These are actually to buy these stains from the website. I'm not going to click on those, but that's what those are. This gives you your description of each of the structures. If you want to go back to the cell, click structures up here, and so on and so forth. On this section, there's also some cell videos. So different videos of cells in action, and real simple. You just click on the one you want, hit play. So that is the first section, which is the 3D cell. The other section of actually staining a cell is up here. So the way you do it is, now I've kind of learned just from playing with this what it means to stain a cell. So basically what I'm gathering is you stain a different part of the cell a certain color so you can kind of see it better under a microscope. And this kind of simulates that process. So you've got the different cell structures in here. I'm just going to do the mitochondria. Pick a color of the stain you want to use. I'm going to do a far red. And then which product you want to stain it with. I don't know what the live or fixed means. Maybe some of you science folks do. I don't. But when you click on apply stain, it applies that stain and gives you an idea of what that would look like under the microscope. And it changes that up here. If you want to take a stain off or add different stains at the same time, you can. It's kind of cool. Kind of makes it more colorful so you can see each of the different structures a different color. And if you want to take a section off, you can click on these X's. And that's pretty much how this goes. It's a simulation, so you've got a 3D cell simulation to learn more about the cell, and you can stain cells and highlight the different parts of the cell and where exactly they're located. So that's the 3D cell stain app, and I think it has a lot of good uses, and I hope the kids enjoy it.